Yes. Now, if you see, look at the problem here. It is told number of currency notes is equal to 4,500 what the person has to count. And for the first 10 minutes, he will spend counting 150 notes per minute. So we'll see. So number of notes counted for first 10 minutes. That is equal to, what is this answer that we get? 150 into 10. That is equal to, what is this answer that we get? 1500, correct? 150 into 10. Number of notes counted for the first 10 minutes is 150 into 10, that is equal to 1500, correct? Now for the next part here, which is in AP, common difference is equal to -2. So can you tell me what is the remaining notes here now? The remaining notes will be equal to 4,500 minus of 1,500. That is equal to, what is this answer that we get? 3,000, correct? That is equal to 3,000. So here, this is in AP. The first term will be equal to how much? Now 148, right? Why? Because the common difference should be equal to -2. D is equal to -2. Let me call N is equal to N. And that Sn should be equal to how much? Now remaining notes, 3,000. So N divided by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 times D. So your answer here, N divided by 2, 2 into 148 plus N minus 1 times -2. That is equal to 3,000. That is equal to 3,000. So what is this answer that we get? N 148 minus N plus 1, that is equal to 3,000. So I can say minus N square plus 149N, that is equal to 3,000. So this implies to me that N square minus 149N plus 3,000 that is equal to 0. Are you getting it? N square minus 149N plus 3,000 is equal to 0. Take the sum and take the product. Minus 149 and plus 3,000. We'll take the sum and product. Now here, the shortcut method is 3,000. You divide by the smallest number that you know. 2 1,500s, 2 750s, and 2 375 times. Then 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 5, 15s and 5 3s and 3 1s. Is it right? 3 1s. So if you can clearly see, 5 5s are 25, 125. So minus 125, and 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So obviously here, invert the sign of factors and divide by the coefficient of the highest degree term. This is 1 here in this case. So your value of N will be equal to 125 and 24. But if you consider N is equal to 125, so this will be a very large answer. 3,000, common difference of -2 for 125 terms. If you take the number of currency notes counted will cross 3,000, right? So this you have to neglect. So what is the answer for N is equal to, that we get 24. N is equal to 24. All right. Even if you take N is equal to 125 terms, with the common difference of -2, you will get the entire progression with a negative sign. You cannot count negative number of notes. That is the meaning of it. So N is equal to 24 you will take. So in this person is taking 24 minutes in this particular arithmetic progression. Along with that, he has already counted for how many minutes? 10 minutes. Therefore, total time taken, that is equal to 24 plus 10, which is equal to 34 minutes is the answer to the question. This is an important question. Mark it.